I bought 6 gaming laptops, from $1,300 to over $2,000, and put them through the exact same tests. One of the cheapest ones actually beat a laptop that costs $500 more. Let's find out which is which. The Predator Helios Neo 16 AI has the exact same RTX 5070 as the Alienware later in this list, but it's $500 cheaper at $1,699. Build quality feels a step down, and the speakers are noticeably weaker. But performance per dollar, this is the best deal in the entire lineup. This is the one I'd actually tell a friend to buy. Next is the ROG Strix G18 at roughly $2,150, same RTX 5070 tier as the Lenovo and HP, but on a massive 18-inch, 240Hz Nebula display with double the storage. If screen real estate is your priority for single-player, story-driven games, nothing else here comes close. The downside, it's the heaviest, least portable laptop in the group by far. This is a desk laptop, not a travel laptop. This is the budget pick of the group at $1,299, a 17.3-inch, 360Hz display paired with an older but still solid RTX 3070. In competitive shooters, that refresh rate genuinely shows. The trade-off, it's a 2022-era GPU, so newer AAA titles need settings turned down. 1 Pro, unbeatable motion clarity for the price. 1 Con, it's noticeably behind on ray tracing performance. Worth it if you play mostly esports titles. At $1,849, the Legion 5 steps up to an RTX 5070 and a genuinely gorgeous 15.1-inch OLED display at 165Hz. Colors are deep, blacks are true black, and the compact 15-inch chassis is easier to travel with than most of this lineup. My one gripe, OLED laptops can be more prone to visible fan noise under load, and this one is no exception during stress testing. Still, for anyone who cares about screen quality first, this is the pick. The OMEN 16 comes in at $1,999 with an Intel Ultra 9 285H and the same RTX 5070 as the Lenovo, but on a bigger 16-inch, 240Hz panel. CPU-heavy tasks like streaming while gaming felt noticeably smoother here than on the Legion. The catch, at this price, you're paying a premium mostly for the newer CPU, not more GPU power. If you multitask heavily, it's worth it. If you just want max frames, it isn't the best value. The Area 51 is Alienware's flagship 16-inch at $2,199, with the same RTX 5070 as the Acer but a much heavier cooling system built for marathon sessions. In my thermal stress test, it ran noticeably cooler and quieter than the Acer under identical load. The con is obvious, you're paying $500 more for build quality and thermals, not raw speed. If sustained performance and premium materials matter to you, it delivers, but it's a hard sell next to the Acer. Like this video if it helped you decide, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and drop your favorite from this list in the comments. All links are pinned below. See you in the next one.